Design Service. Presented by Siddhant Mhatre. Our team. Abstract. I offer professional AutoCAD drafting and mechanical piping design services tailored to meet industrial and project-specific needs. With a strong foundation in technical drawing and a passion for accuracy, I provide 2D layout planning, mechanical detailing, and piping system schematics that ensure clarity, compliance, and constructability. Project. This project involved the detailed drafting and layout of a mechanical piping system for an industrial plant using AutoCAD. The scope included isometric drawings, pipeline routing, equipment placement, and BOM, bill of materials, generation. Emphasis was given to accuracy, safety compliance, and ease of fabrication. Goals. Provide accurate and high-quality AutoCAD drawings. Build a strong freelance client base. Learn advanced CAD tools like Plant 3D. Create a professional design portfolio. Promote Mhatre CAD Solution as a trusted brand. Deliver complete piping and mechanical layout solutions. Methodology. Requirement gathering. Understand client needs, sketches, or reference drawings in detail. Concept planning. Prepare basic layout concepts and get client approval. Detailed drafting. Use AutoCAD to create precise 2D mechanical, piping drawings. Review or feedback. Share draft files for client feedback and make necessary changes. Final submission. Deliver the final drawing set, DWG, PDF, etc., with all required annotations. Post-delivery support. Minor revisions and support as per client needs. Result. Conclusion. With a commitment to accuracy and client satisfaction, I strive to deliver high-quality AutoCAD designs tailored to each project's unique needs. From concept to completion, every detail is handled with precision to ensure functional and efficient results. Does anyone have questions? Thank you.